Hi, in this example, we're going to show you how to utilize ActiveCampaign's Custom Objects feature. Custom Objects is like a two-way integration. So now, video activity that you are seeing in your Bonjoro account, activities such as video opens, video watched, video clicked, or reply to, all this information that you're seeing from your Bonjoro activity can flow back to ActiveCampaign. So, one of the things I recommend is that if you're doing a specific campaign, is to create a new template in Bonjoro. So in your Bonjoro account, head over to templates, click create a new template. It could either be our postcard or next gen. So once you're in your template section, give your template a specific name. So maybe this could be custom objects, campaign A, or something like that. And then go ahead and finish setting up your template with your pre-written subject line and message and whatever call to action that you want to drive people to. Okay. Now, once you create your template, then obviously you can execute your campaign by sending out roll-ups or one-to-one personal videos through your Bonjoro account through your task pane over here. So once that is done, before you send out the videos, here's what we're going to do next. We're going to go into your ActiveCampaign account. Now, once you are inside your ActiveCampaign account, scroll down on the left-hand side to Apps, click on Apps, and do a search for Bonjoro. Now, I've already added the app in here, and I've already set everything up. Now, just because you may already have an integration with Bonjoro, it still means that you still need to add the Bonjoro app here. Click on the video right in the comments here that shows you how to add the Bonjoro app to ActiveCampaign. It's a pretty simple process, but once your app has been added, then scroll over to Automations. Click Create a new automation. Great, now you can start from scratch. Click Continue. Now, once in here, go under Apps, click on Bonjoro, and let's select the Bonjoro video is updated. That means anytime there's some sort of activity that has occurred, such as the video has been watched, opened, liked, or replied to, that's what we want there. Here is where we want to segment our Bonjoro videos because we do not want to do this with all of the videos we send, but specifically for that campaign that we selected. So for selecting a condition, click on this and scroll down to Message Template. There we go, Message Template. Then you want to copy the name of the template that we used. Also add one more condition, and we want to create the condition of watched count. So we are doing this and passing back information to let us know when a video has been watched that used this specific template in Bonjoro. So the watch count can be is or greater than. So greater than or equal to 1. Great. So now, anytime that message template has been used and the video was watched at least one time, that information is going to flow back into ActiveCampaign. What do we want to do with that? So in this example, let's say we wanted to tag them. We could also send an email. Maybe we can set up another automation, but in this case, let's go ahead and tag them. And the tag can simply be, watched ActiveCampaign Custom Objects video or something like that, right? And then click Save. And then remember to make this active. And now you're all set up. Go ahead and send out those Bonjoro videos. And anytime there's activity for any of the videos that's occurring, for the people that you send the Bonjoro video to, that information is going to flow back into ActiveCampaign, and now you have them tagged in ActiveCampaign. And of course, you can do whatever you want. Maybe these people, you want to send them a personal one-to-one video, or you want to put them in a different automation. You can do that now. If you get stuck anywhere, don't hesitate to reach out. You can reach out at support@bonjoro.com. And again, check out the other video in the comments below that shows you how to set up your custom objects with Bonjoro feature. Thank you.